The two girls listened to music through their earphones. The woman listened to music on her smartphone while lying on the grass in the park. The students listened to their lecturer in the lecture theatre. The group listened to each other's problems. The dog listened to his favorite song. The doctor listened to the patient. The doctor listened to the patient's heart with a stethoscope. The woman listened into someone else's conversation. The girl listened to the conversation. The couple listened to a marriage guidance counselor. The student listened to music while he was studying at his desk. The business people listened to the speaker who was giving a presentation. The business people listened to a presentation about sales growth. The children sat on the floor and listened to their primary school teacher tell a story. The girl listened to some songs with the headphones when she was in the music store. The patient listened to the doctor's advice about her health problems. The woman listened to music while she was lying on the couch. The doctor listened to the patient's heartbeat with a stethoscope. The doctor listened to the patient's lungs with the stethoscope. The mother-in-law secretly listened into her daughter's conversation with her husband. The girl listened to the seashell with her left ear. The woman listened to music on her smartphone while she was working out at the gym. The medical students listened to their teacher while sitting at their desks. The two women listened to the latest gossip. The students listened to their professor in the classroom. The patients listened to each other in a group therapy session. The student listened to the heartbeat of the planet. Condition critical. The man listened to gossip. The psychiatrist listened to her patients. The woman listened to music while she was writing her essay for university. The husband listened to his pregnant wife's belly. The man listened to music and felt the sound of the music. The man listened to music while he was traveling on the train. The mechanic listened to the noise of the engine to see if there was anything wrong with it. The business people listened to the speaker at the conference. The woman listened to music while doing stretching exercises on the floor. The counselor listened to the woman with a tattoo on her left arm. The woman listened to music that she did not like. The couple listened to music online together.